Sea Nitrate test. I'm going to run a parallel test, one set up to go through the Hannah meter, and the other one is going to be set up to just be read by the color card. Rinse the one for the Hannah meter with distilled water. Rinse the one for the just be read with the card with pure tank water, since that sample will be pure tank water. Now 9 mils of distilled water. Five. And 4. 1.00 mils of the tank water. Rinse that. So that's my 10-to-1 dilution of tank water for that one. For this sample, it's going to be pure tank water. But before I do that, I'm going to fill the cuvette with the same 10-to-1 dilution. So, rinse with distilled. Five mils. And 4 mils. And now 1 mil of tank water. Okay, so now both of these are 10 milliliters of 10-to-1 dilution of tank water. Now to set the other one, that's just going to be run according to the normal card, 5 milliliters of sample. So, rinse with the sample water. Milliliters of sample water. Okay, this one's C1, it's the blank. I'm just going to set it aside for now. This one is a double batch, so it's going to get 10 drops of A. Nine, 10. This one's a single batch, it gets 5 drops of A. 2, 4, 5. Cap them both and shake. Always over shake, so I'm going to give this 30 seconds. Alright, now they're both been shaken and stirred for 20 to 30 seconds. Now B, just gets 2 scoops. Level with the back of the other spoon. One scoop. Two scoops here. One scoop for the single batch. Okay. Done with B. Okay. Cap both these, and I'm going to shake them for a minute. I'll probably go a minute 15, because I always overshake, especially with a double batch, you got twice as much of everything. Okay, now for C. Break up all the little chunks in there. Level the back of the spoon. One scoop there. And 2 scoops in the double batch for the Hannah meter, and a single scoop for the single batch. Done with C. Cap both of them. So shake for 10 seconds, always overshake. And I've started my timer for 9 minutes. So let both of these develop for 9 minutes. Okay, then shake them for like 30 seconds or so. You can see the 10 to 1 dilution on the left and the one normal made to schedule on the right. Okay? Now, over the next 9 minutes, I'm going to set the C1 cuvette up. Got the sample already in, going to clean it. Dab of water on the outside. Wipe it down really good. Switch and wipe down with a finer cloth. Alright, looks nice and clean. Ready to go for C1. Shake it again. Alright, getting close to time. My watch is at 5 minutes. So I'm going to set C1, wipe it one more time, and then load it up. No smudges, no bubbles. Make sure the 10 mil sign is straight forward at me. Okay. Alright, that's my C1 done. I'm at 6 minutes, so I'm going to set the 3-minute timer. And prep for C2. Going to shake this one more time, swirl it around a bit. Can't see any particles left, but anyway. Empty the C1 cuvette. Shake it out thoroughly. Let everything settle in the vial before I pour. And ready to pour. Okay. Pour it almost up to the line. It doesn't matter, the meter measures right in the middle. Wipe down the top. Cap it. Clean the sides again. Wipe it with a rough cloth. Wipe it with smooth cloth. Clean, no bubbles, no particles, no smudges, it's ready to go. Put the 10 mil sign right in the front facing me. 1 minute left on that. In the meantime, this develops normally, looks like it's going to read right about 10, but maybe somewhere between 5 and 10. To the eyeball it looks maybe just a hair lighter than 10. We'll see. Okay, reads 129. Let's calculate the equivalent. Okay, that gives me 1.104, so times 10, the original, gives me 11.0 parts per million. So, comes out right at, in agreement with the other, right about 10.